Want to earn up to $30,000 a month teaching online, right from your couch? Here's how you can make it happen with Vedantu. Vedantu is on a hiring spree for online tutors. Anyone with a degree can apply. Students, freshers, homemakers. The job? Guiding kids from grades 1 to 8. English, spoken English, coding, maths. Think basic concepts like addition, subtraction, fractions, and more. Here's the best part. No interviews, no tough tests. Just record a simple 15-minute teaching video. Topic examples: the sound of F in English, or fractions for maths. Upload it, share the link. That's your application done. Work from home. Pick your 5-hour slot between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. on weekdays. Weekends are flexible, and you get 1 day off weekly. Starting salary? A cool Rs. 30,000. Earn more based on your classes. No sales, no targets, just teaching. Want to apply? Check the official Vedantu link in the description. Always verify details. This could be your big break. Don't wait.